All right, so Casey's still sanding over there, but we're gonna start putting together some drawer boxes so that I can get some accurate measurements and we can start doing this. So what I'm gonna do first is I've got the back, the two sides, the front laying here, and I'm gonna put a little bead of glue here, and then I'm gonna tack these together with brad nailer. And then on the back side of this and on the front side of this one, I've drilled some pocket holes, and so we'll be able to put some pocket hole screws in to give it even more support and make these things super sturdy. Not that they're not already going to be sturdy with 3/4 inch material for the bottom and 3/4 inch material for the sides, but we like to overbuild. Yes, we do. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit on here. I need a bigger work table. This is not big enough, but I don't have any other options at the moment. So I'm just gonna flip this around. And it is a little wobbly, but I think after I get this one put in, it'll get a lot less wobbly. I'm very dumb. Not much of a drawer without a bottom, is it? Yeah. That was my one stupid moment. We'll make sure we make this my drawer, not her drawer. Well, I guess we need some bases then. If we're gonna put these drawers together, we gotta have the bottom. Do I want the slats running this way? So the drawer front here, the sides and the back. That might be best because then it wouldn't matter if these are off. You would always just have a short one in front. So, because these are all full size, this one is what makes up the last piece. So, this is my front. Sorry, I'm looking over at my test one over here that I put together. This is the front, side, side, back. So, this running this way, interior dimension needs to be 22 inches. So I need them to be 22 inches forward, and then I need them to be 22 3/4 wide. So this dimension, we return back to our actual pieces. So this dimension needs to be 22 3/4. And I need them to be 22 this way, and they're actually longer than that. But this has to be 22 3/4, and they're only 22. So none of these would work if I make them go side to side, which is okay. These again were just test ones, but it's kind of a shame. So we're gonna consult Casey and see what she wants. So after talking with Casey, she would prefer the run of the board go from the front to the back. So this bottom will actually work. It needs to be 22 inches from front to back, and it is just shy of 22. And then this one, this way, needs to be 22 3/4, and it's an eighth shy. It's 22 5/8, which will work. So as long as it fits into the grooves of all the way around, it's going to be strong enough to support itself the whole the whole way. This is a beefy bottom. Beefy drawer bottom. So I want to make these drawer bottoms a single piece. In other words, I'm going to put a line of glue in between all of these. I'm going to clamp them together, and somehow I'm going to keep them flat. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do that. First off, I think we're going to turn it this way, because then the whole thing is supported. Double check that. 22 on the nose. Perfect. So, 6 drawers. I'm gonna have a front and a back that are both 22 inches long. So that's 12 pieces. And I've got 3. There's all of the drawer pieces for all the 8-inch drawers. Now, dawns on me that I should have probably done the 5-inch drawers as well, since the boards are sitting right there, but yeah, oops, oh well, that's okay. I'll just do them right quick. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna leave it today. I've got all of these done. I have one more board that is right here. So it had a split right on the end. So I went ahead and I put some glue in it and I've got it clamped. And so I'm going to let that dry overnight and I'll cut that. That's the last 2 pieces to the drawer fronts. So I think I'm gonna call it, and we will put together some drawer bases and get them glued up probably and let them sit overnight, and then we will start in on this again tomorrow. We'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more.